One of the things I love about running my own business, King Propulsion, and being the US distributor for Brunton's propellers is we get to do a little bit extra for customers. And when we see at boat shows, we're compared to the Max Prop, the Flexifold, and all the other manufacturers of the world. But the nice thing is that we're able to do a few little extra things that most of the other manufacturers can't. For instance, I'm actually a professor from a university. I have a PhD in naval architecture. How many people can say that? So I use this knowledge to help people get the right propeller for the right boat. The nice thing is we sell fixed, folding and feathering, so we can be impartial. So not only do you get good technical advice, you get very, very impartial advice. And there's been a few instances where a chap called Glyn Livermore, is a very good friend and customer of ours, had a King's Legend boat. It was a boat built in Taiwan. I'll just give you one example because there's lots of examples. This boat had a custom shaft. It had steps on the shaft once it came out of the stuffing box. And then they had a custom thread put on it, so it was the left-hand nut. Very, very unusual, and there was a lot of toing and froing. He originally had a gory, and then the gory didn't quite work, so he got a refund on that one and came to us, and we were able, from soup to nuts and a few iterations, I'll be honest, solve the problem and get a custom taper made for his boat. And then it was even harder to get the nut. It involved sending a lot of stuff back to the UK office, toing and froing between me and Glenn is up in Michigan, and it was a great solution. And the auto prop now on this boat is awesome. It works great. It's got a custom hub, but we were able to do that, and there was no additional cost to the customer. It was all part of our service. So if you're thinking of buying a sailboat propeller and you like the idea of great customer service and a lifelong commitment, because our propellers last an awful long time, so you're going to be with us and we're there with you for service. So if you like that commitment, please get in touch, have a look at our website, kingpropulsion.com, and if you like that, just drop us a line or give us a call on 757 962 9219. Thanks for watching.